Hi everybody, I'm Roman, the product owner of hsbDesign for AutoCAD. Today I'm excited to introduce hsbDesign 29, a release that makes timber design faster, smarter and more precise than ever. hsbDesign 29 is now fully compatible with AutoCAD Architecture 2026, so you can use all these exciting new functionalities on AutoCAD's latest version. Let me show you what we've been working on. The first highlight is something many of you have been waiting for. Our new wall framing engine, the Framing Styles Editor, is now available on hsbDesign for AutoCAD. If you've used it on Revit, you already know how powerful it is. And now you can bring that same power to your wall framing projects on AutoCAD. We're also working on extending it to roofs and floors, so soon you'll have one unified framing engine for your entire model. We now also have the Persist technology on hsbDesign for AutoCAD. So if you copy, move, edit or delete any individual beams or sheets in a wall element, these edits will remain intact even after regenerating the wall element. So no more repeating the same edits over and over again. It's all about saving time. Another nice feature that I want to show you is our improved fasteners and components database. You can now access the latest content from leading manufacturers and start with a richer set of predefined options. And with the new TSL fastener editor, you can create your own custom fastener assemblies and save them in the Style Manager for consistent workflows. The list of functionalities doesn't end there. There are more improvements in hsbDesign 29 that will make your daily work easier. The CNC export has also been upgraded for higher reliability across multiple machine outputs. There is now a new Hilti P2P connector that allows for better integration with Hilti's tools and workflows. And finally, the Painter tool has been improved, and several TSLs like HSB Schedule Table, HSB Stacking, Dimline and others have been updated or extended to give you a more polished and stable experience overall. As you can see, hsbDesign 29 for AutoCAD has arrived with exciting new features to help you save more time and avoid repetitive work. If you want to see the complete list of new features and improvements, please visit our release notes on hsbcad.academy. If you're new to hsbDesign for AutoCAD, we'd love to show you what it can do. Reach out for a quick demo and discover how hsbDesign can elevate your workflow. And if you're already an hsbCAD user, upgrading to version 29 will give you access to these new capabilities right away. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.